welcome back to another episode of LovelySkin Unboxing. I'm Ariel.
And I'm Jill.
And today we are going to be unboxing some new IGK Color products. We're super excited about this line. It has a lot of really awesome products. Not only that, but their packaging is so fun.
Love their packaging. And their washout. So, you know, if you want to play around with a fun color, you're not so comfortable and
we're really excited.
Forever, yes.
These wash out. Not only that, they are paraben and sulfate free. They're cruelty free.
Vegan. And they have UV protection. So if you have color treated hair, it helps that last a little bit longer.
Which neither of us do. This is obviously our natural hair color. Yeah, so let's dive right in, shall we? Okay, do you want to start with pink?
I'm going to start with
pink. I'll start with purple.
Yeah.
I think you basically just
need to shake it. Need to shake it.
Okay.
This is fun.
Ooh.
Oh, that's.
Ooh, look at that purple.
And it smells good.
It does smell good. More. Oh yeah, there we go. Ooh.
And it does.
Ooh, look at yours. Cute. Love it.
Me too. So it does hold a little, so it feels a little like a hairspray.
Yeah.
A little bit. Not too sticky though.
No.
I don't think.
No, it's not bad. Yeah, it's a little bit of a hairspray. And should we try this?
Yeah.
This guy out? Okay,
so
you
the
try
brown could be good for ombre.
Yes.
Or I suppose this could be good if I wanted to be a brunette for a day.
Yeah, try it out.
Let's try it. Like maybe just an all over. Get a little. Ooh.
Ooh, let me see.
Look at that.
Ooh.
That totally looks like I went and got some highlight or
totally
low lights.
does.
Yeah.
And it's not super dark. I wonder if you put more. Oh yeah, it's like a pretty copper.
Oh yeah.
Color. Okay, I'm gonna try this.
Yes.
Let's see how it does for brown or red hair. Oh yeah, it definitely lightens up my roots for sure. Gives them like kind of a copper shine.
Super fun.
Jill's got all the colors going on. All right, so next up, we are going to try their other color product, which is called Foamo. And it's a holographic foam, a holographic hair foam. So it comes in two colors, blue and pink. So Jill is gonna continue on rocking the pink style, and I am going to try the blue.
Can I just say, I love IGK's packaging.
Me too, it's so cute.
Pretty.
Love it.
It's just pretty. Shake this one.
Shake it up.
Okay.
Shake it up real good. All right, here we go. Ooh, look at that. It's not messing around.
Super sparkly.
So you can see the foam. It is a legitimate foam. And you can see the color and the sparkles in it. Let me see the pink.
Very sparkly. Oh, I like that.
Okay.
Very looks like a moon rock. Yeah.
Okay, so here we go.
Okay. Oh, this is much more sparkly than the spray, for sure.
Oh yeah, so this is much more vibrant.
Definitely
than the sprays.
Holographic.
So yeah, you can definitely see, like, compared to the purple in my hair from the spray, that the holographic foam is much more vibrant, much more sparkly. Look at that.
Mermaid hair.
Look at yours. So yeah, so these are obviously, these have a lot of sparkle in them, and you can tell with Jill's. Her spray doesn't really have any sparkle. But look, I hope you guys can see that sparkle in there. Cute. What do you think of mine?
I love it. You look like a mermaid.
You do too. Perfect. Okay guys, so those are the wonderful color products from IGK. You can find all of these products as well as so much more at LovelySkin.com. And if you get these, write to us. Send us photos of your mermaid hair. We would love to see it. And until next time, thanks for watching.